Kompleto na ba? Okay, game. Nice pass. Rebound number 10. Rebound by Jay. To Enigo. Pull up. Patay kayo. Kunti ka na. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Ang ganda. Certenia. 2 points. Score 0-2. Two points, Andy. Sino mananalo? Ilalim o ibabaw? Garcia. No good. Last touch. Cerdeña. 4 minutes, 50 seconds. Andy. Pinasa kay Nico. Pinasa kay Marky. Inispat. Wala. Nakuha ni Cerdeña. Pinasa kay Ramos. Ang ganda ng advance. Oh! Garcia. 2-4. Luluwa pa. Time remaining 4 minutes 25 seconds. Andy. Pinasa kay John. John. 3 points para nag-lay up. 5-4. No good, babe. Laman ng isa ang Team Mai. Ay, Team Marky pala. Team Marky. Laman ng isa. Binalik, Adi. 12 seconds. Nakita si Enigo. Enigo. Wala. Time remaining 3 minutes 25 seconds. B. Oy, same ball, last touch. John, 8 seconds to shoot. Three points. 5-7. Nakakuha ni Garcia. 2 points. 5-9. Two points, John. 7-9. Ang ganda sana naman. Backspin. Marky. Pinasa kay John. Pull up. No good. 1 minute 50 seconds. Ten seconds to shoot. Andy, 1-on-1. 2 points, Andy Cosella. All na. Big no good. Nakuha Sardinia. 8 seconds. 2 points, Sardinia. 1 minute, 5 seconds. Last 1 minute. Uy, nawala ang bola. Nahilo yata si Andy Ramos. Lefty shots, no good. Ang sipag ni Inigo. Pinasa kay Marky. The shooter, no good. Okay, foul daw muna. Loose ball foul. 35 seconds, 14 to shoot. $28 seconds. 2 points. 23 seconds. Last 18 seconds. 2 points, Ramos. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay. Change for. Score 13-11. Dito ha, 13-11. Dalawa lang ang kalamangan ng Team Mai. Depensa na po tayo. Last quarter. Good. Ramos. 10 to shoot. Ang layo. Nakuha ni Marky. Saktong-sakto. 2 points. Diyan. All 30. Garcia. Pinasa kay Bay. Bay, naghahanap ng papasahan. 10 seconds. Bumalik ulit kay Bay. 2 points, Bay. 15-30. 5 minutes, 25 seconds, Andy. 12 to shoot. 3 points, Andy. 15-16. Lamang na ng isang Team Marky. Garcia. No good, rebound by Marky. Pinasa kay Inigo. Wow! Nakuha ni Andy. Mike, teardrop, no good. Rebound by Marky Miles. Ten to shoot. Andy. 5 to shoot. Grabe naman yun. Kita-kita dito. 15-9. 3 points dyan. Garcia. Still by Marky. Nakuha ni Inigo. Inigo. Pull up. No good. Andy. To Marky. Wala. Rebound by Sardinia. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Two points. Ramos. 15-21. 3 minutes 35 seconds. 3 points, Garcia. 18-21. Three minutes, 10 seconds. Out of bounds na, out of bounds. 2 minutes, 55 seconds. Pinasa kay Bay. Bay, 3 points. All 21. Binawi agad ng team. Mike. All 21 lang, ha? Ramos, ang ganda. Pinasa kay Marky. Step to those. Oy, sayang. Good. Ang ganda naman nung isushoot mo na lang, Garcia. Wala, nakuha ni Andy. Andy. Ide-diretso. Akin na to. Oy. Nice. D-by number 10. Ha? Okay. Loose ball foul. Enigo. 2 minutes, 3 seconds. Last 2 minutes. 8 to shoot. 17. Okay. 18-23. Ramos to Babe. Nice pass. Garcia kapos. Buti nakuha ni number 10. Garcia. 8 seconds to shoot. Good. John. Wow. No good by Enrico. Good yata, walang tawag. Garcia. Floater, no good. Grabe, laban naman ng rebound ni Sardenia at ni Ramos. Hindi makapitan ni Jan. Jan. 3 points. Dos lang daw, naka-apat. Ha? Time out pala, time out. 18-25.
Di ba 23 lang?
Hindi, 23 sila naka-shoot. 18-25.
Tatlo lang.
Ay, 21-25. Sorry naman. Sorry. 21-25. Apat ang hinahabol, apat. Rebound by Ramos. Nais ni Garcia, hindi pwede yun. Sardenia, bam! 2 points. 28 seconds, 23-25. No need to foul. May 4 seconds difference sa shot clock. No need to foul. 21 seconds, 15 to shoot. 16 seconds, 10 to shoot. Naku, dagger ba to? 3 points. 9 seconds. Okay, time out daw. Time out muna. Ha? Nag-time out eh. 23-28. Isa na lang ang time out nyo, ha? Wait lang. 9 seconds, ha? 9 seconds.
Lahat na yan?
Ha? Oo. 9 seconds. Nine seconds. 5 seconds. Okay. Hindi, may isa pa. Pasok na kayo.